Hey guys, we're going to be talking about how to send and receive money with PayPal. So first we're going to be at our home page, which you can get to in the bottom left corner on the home tab. Now you can see at the bottom, right above the home tabs, there's a send and request button. To send money, we'll click on send. Now we choose who we want to send our money to. You can do this with a name, a username, an email, or a mobile. So I'll just click on one of my friends right now. Now we'll type in exactly how much we want to send, add a message if we would like to, press next, and it will show us a review of what we were about to send. And then you just click send, and that's how to send money. Now to receive, we'll go back to home, click request, go through the same process, either through a name, username, email, or mobile. We'll click on someone, press how much we would like to request, next, and then that will send them a notification with your payment request. And that's how you send and receive money with PayPal.